Hola, estamos haciendo la tortilla de española.
So the first thing we did was just cut up 2 potatoes into slices. And then we sliced 1 onion and put that in. And then we took all those ingredients and put them into 3/4 of a liter of olive oil.
After that, we strained them and waited until they were cool. We cracked 6 eggs and beat them. We added salt, we mixed it all together, and we put it in a medium pan to cook.
So after it was finished cooking, first cut around the edges to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan too much. And the next thing you do is put a plate on top of all of that once it's cooked, and flip pretty much the entire pan over so that the ingredients fall out onto the plate. Then you take that and slide it into another pan for cooking on the other side.
It's best if that pan is a little smaller to help it rise a little bit more, to give it the thickness that the tortilla is famous for. And then you wait for it to cook a little bit more, and then hopefully, if you did everything correctly, you flip it back over onto a different plate and you have your completed tortilla. I did oil it first. Alright, well that turned out beautifully.